Welcome everybody. Caroline Lee here, your wellness advocate with doTERRA. And today I'm going to be talking about the April promotions so that you know everything you need to know on what is free, what is discounted, where can I get I better understand how to use the products for this month, Mother's Day ideas, Hostess Rewards. We're going to go into all of that. So if you haven't liked or subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit subscribe and that bell so that you get all the latest and greatest videos that I've put on my channel every single week. I put a diffuser recipe, and then we answer a couple questions throughout the month. So you'll definitely want to subscribe and follow us along the way. So let's go ahead and dive into today's promotions as it started. Today's April 1st. So the first thing we want to do is I want to have spring fun with Citronella. So this is our product of the month. So to be a part of this, you have to be a member with doTERRA already, and you have to place an order on the Loyalty Rewards program by April 15th of 125 points or more. And then you become a member of the Product of the Month Club. So you'll get this free Citronella bottle this month when that order is qualified. So you can make sure you get this. So let me tell you a little bit about Citronella. So it was discovered in 1901, and Citronella was the most widely used insect repellent before the 1940s. Now, research shows Citronella essential oil repels 3 mosquito species for up to 8 hours, which is really important because I live here in the South and we have lots of bugs. Along with repelling pests naturally, Citronella can also clean surfaces and cleanse the skin and the scalp. So if you think of ways that you can use Citronella, obviously you can put it in a spray bottle and use it to repel. You could put it in your diffuser to ward off those insects. You can also put a drop on your collar for your pets. You can add a drop to your shampoo or conditioner. Not only will that clean your hair, but it will help it shiny and make it look beautiful that way. And then you can also add it to 3 or 4 drops into a water spray bottle and clean your surfaces. So we mentioned that a little bit earlier. And then of course, there's always great idea for Citronella. Sometimes it's fun to have it just by itself, but other times it's kind of nice to have combinations. So I'm always looking for diffuser blends. And here are some great ideas for you. Like I said, I take my Citronella or my TerraShield when I go outside to garden, or we go to the pool, or if we're just hanging out and having dinner outside. This is a great oil to have in your pilot diffuser outside. My favorite one is the Clean Air, which is Citronella, rosemary, and lemon. So just get you some ideas on how you can use that free product of the month. I don't want you to forget 125-point loyalty rewards order qualifies you for that freebie. Now, for everybody else, this one is for anybody. This is going to be new members. This is going to be returning members, but TerraShield is 10% off. And now that COVID is kind of going down, we are getting outside more. The weather's improving. I know out here in Georgia, it is a beautiful sunny day. And so we are going out on adventures with my little kids. So we know how important it is for people to feel like they can protect their families in a safe and natural way. And that is why doTERRA scientists created the TerraShield. This is the perfect formula from the highest quality of essential oils for an all-natural bug repellent. TerraShield 15 ml is perfect. Along with being a natural repellent, TerraShield offers an invigorating aroma and provides skin smoothing benefits. So a fun fact about TerraShield, it reflects the EPA guidelines and regulations as a registered repellent in the United States and has tested at greater than 90% efficiency or effectiveness at more than 4 hours. So we have Citronella that's up to 3 that has 8 hours. And then you also have TerraShield, which is a blend of essential oils. And that has showed a 90% working rate. So we love that. I wanted to put this on the screen, some of the ways you can do it. You're going to get it in a bottle. So you may want to make your own spray bottle. Makes it super easy to apply to your ankles, to your wrists as you're heading out there. You can also apply a drop again on the pet's collar to help ward off and protect your pets. you can add lavender with TerraShield, and actually it's going to work great on those skin irritations. So if you get those bug bites, go ahead and utilize that as well. And then again, mixing lavender with the helichrysum, you can actually help protect against sun exposure. So that kind of neat little thing on there. But remember, this is 10% all off all month long in the month of April. Wholesale price is $11.70, retail price is $15.60, and I'm going to put the link in the description below. So if you want to get this one or any of the products that I'm talking to you today about, that will be found in the description. So you could just pop it into the shopping cart. All right, let's talk about gather and give. Now we are getting out. We're starting to gather again, both our new connections and we're going to earn some rewards along that line. So during the month of April, May, and June, you can grow your doTERRA business and earn the Yara Palm Body Renewal Serum and an exclusive doTERRA Rose Glow Face Mist. Now, I love this serum myself. It has been amazing. I've had 3 kids. I have 4 kids. I was adopted, but 3 I had. And the body renewal serum is great for that tummy. It's totally helping me with that. But I also had the pleasure of trying out this Rose Glow at Leadership, and it was amazing. So if you are a fan of Rose, and Rose is amazing for the skin, you are going to want to earn this. So this is a great way. This is a Hostess Rewards. So if you host a class in April, May, or June, and you enroll 3 people at 100 PV or more, you're actually going to receive the Yara Palm Body Serum. And then if you enroll 5 people with 100 PV or more, you'll receive the Yara Palm Serum and the exclusive Rose Mist. And I read somewhere is you can actually do these multiple times, up to 4 times. So if you have lots of enrollments through the month of April, May, and June, you can actually qualify for more than just 1 bottle. So definitely is great for you to earn that. Now, for those that are enrolling in these months of April, May, and June, doTERRA is throwing some free product points to your way, or what we call doTERRA dollars. So when you enroll with a 150 point order, or any of the starter kits will qualify for this, or most of them will, and you do a 100-point LRP order the following month on that program, you can earn a $50 in credit or rewards through doTERRA's program. So this is an amazing thing. So you can split up that wish list and get a little bit now with your starter kit, then a little bit the next month, and then you can get the rest with your points. So definitely is a great way to maximize some of the freebie stuff. So you'll definitely want to pay attention to that. The other thing I want to mention is there are some people who do not like the choices on the kits. Maybe they want to make their money go a little further. I don't know. Maybe they want to get certain oils, and they want to also have the free membership. So doTERRA for the month of April through the end of June, June 30th, they have what we call create your own cart. And so you can put 150 points worth of product in that shopping cart, and then they will give you not only free shipping, but they will give you the free membership with doTERRA. So they'll waive that $35 so that you can have your membership and save in that process. That's available in the United States and Canada. It is amazing perk, and I'm excited to be able to offer that to you guys as well. So I'll put in the description below the link to just with the 35 initially, so you can start putting stuff into your shopping cart. And then you'll notice once you get to 150 points, that 35 will be waived and removed. So that link will be down in the description. So just make sure you check that out. And then we want to also talk about another freebie that they're giving with all of us, whether you already have an account or whether you're just getting this, is the Essential Oils Safety Course. This is brand new. This is just released today. I'm really excited to go through this as well. But if you have a membership with doTERRA, you get free training. It's an hour-long course that you go that talks about the essential oil safety. You're going to want to get access to it. So you're going to go to training.doterra.com to access this. If you already have been through some of doTERRA's trainings, then you won't have to register. But if you haven't, go ahead and register, and they will know whether or not you have a membership with doTERRA. So again, that membership is so crucial in getting some of these amazing perks. You'll want to make sure that you have that. And again, look for the links in the description below for some more information about the about dilution, dosage, application methods, a whole bunch more, because we really want you to create a non-toxic, natural lifestyle. And that training is going to definitely help you on that road. So lastly, I want to talk a little bit about Mother's Day promotions. It started today. I'm so excited. In fact, I got this one. I am so excited about this one. When I was at Leadership, they showcased this Pilot Diffuser Max. So this one will cover a 300 square foot area. It will run for up to 6 hours continuously or 12 hours intermittently. And it is amazing. I'm so excited to have that. I love the regular Pilot. That's the one I take outside when we're out and about. Sitting by the pool or playing outside or sitting in the swing or gardening. I'll put some of that Citronella or Terra Shield in that one and enjoy the outdoors. So this is a rechargeable diffuser, and it does come with that exclusive Malama essential oil from Hawaii. Many of us got the sample of that last month as our in addition to our product of the month oil. I actually took that sample and put it in an empty roller bottle, and then I filled it up with fractionated coconut oil, and then I used that one. It's amazing. So I'm so excited to have this. The link for this will be in the description below if you're interested in getting it. It's $65 a wholesale price, $86.67 retail for you. All right. This is just, you can get the essential oil blend by itself. But I love this one. It is definitely a nurturing blend. You definitely feel well taken care of and loved when you're wearing this. I don't know, it just makes me feel cozy and secure. And so I love this one. I'm excited to be able to start diffusing it, but you can order this, and the link will be down below. Wholesale price $28.50, retail price $38. All right, lastly, I'm going to talk about is the Guava Shea Beauty Collection. And again, if you love the body serum, just like me, you're going to love this as well. This comes with the rose quartz guava shea stone. It has a beautiful black bag that you can store it in. So it's going to help smooth and create a natural radiant glow with this. So this also comes with the Yarrow Palm Botanical and Nutritive Duo. Try to say that 3 times fast. And I love that. I just take these, you'll notice there's a little dropper on the top, and I just drop on, 4 parts of my face, and then I add the moisturizer to it, and it definitely totally makes my skin just radiant. So I love this. You can purchase this for $89.50, and I'll put the link below. Or you can pay the retail price $119.33. So there are 2 options in getting this. So definitely think about your mom. Think about what she might need if she's an essential oil lover. Maybe you're the mom that needs some pampering and some extra love. So just FYI with that. Thank you so much for watching. As always, you feel free to register for my beginners essential oils class, and that's going to be found in the link below. If you're ready to get started, all of the links that I talked about, all the products are going to be in the link below, plus all my starter kits. Feel free to check them out. But thank you so much for joining with me this afternoon. And I hope that you have an amazing April, as well as May and June, as we talked a lot about the products that doTERRA has available. So thank you so much, and keep oiling.